Have you ever sat right next to someone and felt like they were 1,000 miles away? The house is quiet, the kids are asleep, but the silence is deafening. You're sharing a life, but the conversation has turned into a boring checklist. In the US, 40% of relationships don't end because of a big fight. They end because of the slow fade, the silence you can actually feel. Today, we're using the Intimacy Blueprint to show you how to stop the drift and the 3-step shift to bring the fire back. If you're losing them, watch this. Psychologists call it the roommate syndrome. You're coexisting, but not connecting. In our fast-paced life, we mistake stability for intimacy. No fights doesn't mean no problems. Silence isn't peace. Often it's just a lack of effort. When was the last time you asked a question that didn't start with "did you buy" or "can you"? When we stop being curious about our partner's inner world, the blueprint begins to crumble. Most people withdraw, not because they don't care, but because they are emotionally overwhelmed. Work stress and digital burnout make our homes a place to shut down instead of open up. This creates the pursuer-distancer dynamic. One asks for love, the other feels pressured and pulls away. It's a cycle that kills attraction. It's a defense mechanism, not a lack of love. So how do we fix it? Here is your 3-step blueprint. Step 1, the 10-minute State of the Union. No bills, no kids, just how are you feeling about us today? Step 2, microbids. When they point at something, look at it. Acknowledge the small things. Step 3, vulnerability first. Stop waiting for them. Share a dream or a fear today. Be the bridge. Intimacy isn't a destination, it's a constant repair. What do you miss most about the early days? Tell me in the comments. I read them all. Everyday stress and emotional overwhelm can quietly erode the intimacy in our relationships, leading to what experts call the slow fade or roommate syndrome. Over time, partners may become more like roommates than lovers, as digital burnout and constant distractions make true connection feel out of reach. But there is hope. With intention and the right steps, couples can rebuild closeness and reignite emotional intimacy. Step 1. Start a real conversation. Set aside distractions and talk openly about your feelings and experiences. Step 2. Observe and respond to microbids. Notice the small ways your partner reaches out and show that you care. Step 3. Practice vulnerability. Express your feelings honestly and invite your partner to do the same. By taking these steps, you can overcome emotional distance and rediscover the closeness you both deserve. Subscribe to the Intimacy Blueprint for more. Let's fix your heart together.